Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sunrit Hajra. Today I am going to show you how to download Python in your PC. So let's get started. Friends, Python is a high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python emphasizes code, readability and clean syntax, which makes it easy to understand and write. Python is a versatile language used for various processes and purposes such as web development, scientific computing, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. And it has been even used for automation and machine learning. And more are there. It had gained immense popularity among developers due to the extensive standard library, which provides a wide range of pre-built modules and functions that can be used to perform different tasks. So now, after all this, let's start downloading Python in your PC. So for that, you have to go to Google Chrome. And then you have to search www.python.org. So here we got the website here right now. Now here you have to go to download, and here you got the option of downloading Python latest version, which is 3.11.3. So here it has started downloading and the setup is going to be ready in just some seconds. It's done. Let's open this. So our Python setup is completely ready. Now we can simply click on install now to start the installation. And it's installing. This is going to take a while. So the installation is done and the setup is successful. Now we can close this one. So let's verify the installation. For that we have to go to the search bar and search Python. And here for testing it, I'm going to type a very basic code, print. Let's type print. It did work, and as you can see here, you can type more codes and create your and get started with this programming language. Till now, Python has been the best and most useful programming language in the world. So that was all for today. Hope you liked this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching.